ስሜ የማነ ሐዲሽ እባላለሁ። የመጣሁት ሀገር ከኢትዮጵያ ነው። ከኢትዮጵያ የነበረኝ ቆይታ በጣም ከባድ ሁኔታ ነው የነበርኩኝ። በደረሰብኝ ሁኔታ በጣም ከባድ ነው የነበረው። ስለ 3 ዓመታት ያህል ነው የቆየው። እዛ 3 ዓመት በቆየው ጊዜ በጣም አስቸጋሪ ሁኔታ ነው የነበርኩ። የራኩኝ ሰው ደግሞ አዲስ አበባ ዶክተር በቀለ የሚባል ወደ የሰራልኝ ዶክተር ያገናኘን ዶክተር ሳሚት ማርግ ይባላል።
We saw him in the OPD, we did a fiber optic evaluation, we got a CT scan, MRI done, and to our surprise, we saw that the entire larynx was shattered. There were small pieces of bone which was shattered, the whole airway was compromised, and because of the gunshot injury, it seemed quite difficult to give him his voice back and his breathing back. We discussed amongst our team and we decided to take him up for a laryngofissure where we open the larynx from the center. We decided first to reconstruct the larynx. We used a special implant which acted as a stent, so that once we made a new framework where we used his rib cartilage, we harvested a rib cartilage and created the anterior framework of the larynx because that was completely destroyed. 6 weeks he stayed with the stent, he was taking feeds to the right tube, and finally we removed the stent and we could get an airway where he started to breathe. And now he is put on rigorous speech therapy programs.
ሕክምና በጣም አሪፍ ነው ያደረጉልኝ እና ሆስፒታል በጣም አሪፍ ነው።